Hi everyone, hope you're doing well from wherever you're watching this channel, depending on your time zone. Now, the Senate is expected to listen to the impeachment motion of Rigathi Gachagwa that was passed in the National Assembly on Wednesday and Thursday. They will have to make a decision. In fact, on Thursday, that's when they are going to make the final decision on this impeachment. Their work is to interrogate, do a finding of the allegation leveled against Gachagwa. Let Gachagwa bring his witness. The National Assembly will have its team representing the House, and a decision will be made. So, we've had like 6 cases filed in different high courts within Kenya trying to stop the impeachment of Rigathi Gachagwa, especially with the focus in the Senate. They don't want the Senate House to impeach Rigathi Gachagwa. People want to stop that motion. So Justice Mugambi made a decision by referring this matter to the Chief Justice, advising her to form or appoint a 3-judge bench team to listen to all these cases. So they are consolidating all the cases, and then from there, a decision made. And this is what Mugambi had to say. I quote him. This one is one of those rare occasions where the court should rise to the occasion and serve the public with the resources that it can summon. In my view, despite stiff opposition by the respondent, it is my considerate opinion that this petition raised the constitutional questions that fall under Article 163B and D2. Hence, I'm persuaded to submit them to the Chief Justice for empaneling of a bench. That was Mugambi's statement. So after that, finally, CJ Mother Koome has constituted a bench of 3 judges, and here is her statement on this. Following the orders issued by Honorable Mr. Justice L.N. Mugambi on October 11, 2024, I appoint to hear and determine this petition together with the petition E-509-2024, E-537-2024, E-528-2024, E-525-2024, and E-506-2024. That is Koome. Now, among the 3-judge bench that will be listening to this case, we have Justice Eric Ogola. Number 2, Justice Anton Murima. And number 3, gender balance, Justice Frida Mugambi. Those are the judges that will sit to listen to that matter. Gachagwa won the legal team led by Paul Mwite to petition this case saying that this impeachment has been stopped. They are petitioning the High Court to stop the Senate from discussing the impeachment motion. Now, in the case, the first respondent is the National Assembly Speaker, Moses Masika Wetangula. Second respondent is the Senate Speaker, Amason Jeffa Kingi. So, tomorrow is Tuesday, and Wednesday is when the Senate will be sitting for this matter. Therefore, a decision has to be made within tomorrow. Kesho wakuwa wamesikiza, wamefanya uamuzi if they want to rescue Gachagwa in any way to do with this case. And something else that Gachagwa and his team will be looking for, maybe it's a court order to stop the impeachment until this matter is heard and determined. But how sure are you that the court will stop the impeachment? That's the question. Now, before we continue with the final discussion, just a quick request for those who are watching and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. To our returning subscribers, I must say thank you so much. And again, to all our viewers, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and back to this discussion. Now, we have three arms of the government: the executive, that the president and the cabinet; the National Assembly, where you elect people to represent you; and the judiciary, the third arm, where they make sure that the National Assembly and the executive are not functioning outside the law and the constitution of this country. Sasa mambo yao ni kuchunga sheria isivunjwe. Interpret the law. That's the work of the judiciary. But how do you think? Will the judiciary interfere with the National Assembly and the Senate impeachment of Gachagwa? Will it interfere? Because in as much as Gachagwa is trying to stop his impeachment through the court, what are the matters that is raising to stop his impeachment? The reason, I think, in as much as we'll have the bench to listen to this matter, they might rule that the matter be heard, the impeachment be done to a conclusion, and later, if Gachagwa feel that the process was not free and fair, then he can take it to the court. And in the court, they will go with evidence and make a ruling on that. But I think it is premature for the court to make a decision as now to stop the impeachment. That will be an interference with another arm of government. So in as much the legal team is trying to use every means possible, the other truth is that the impeachment will go on. I foresee this. They might not rule to stop the impeachment unless if there are legal factors that were featured in the National Assembly impeachment to warrant blocking this impeachment in the Senate. Labda hawakufuata sheria, maybe public participation or something close to that. Mambo mengine. Labda kama hayo yalifanyika, basi wanaweza sema kitu. Lakini what the court might do in their wisdom is to allow the impeachment to conclusion, such that if Gachagwa has concrete, solid evidence, he can go to the court to overturn the impeachment. Or, as of now, he can seek court order to stop a replacement or gazetting. In fact, yes, let me put it right. He can request for a court order to stop the gazettement of his impeachment by the government gazette people. Saying that after the impeachment, they cannot gazette it, because once they can put it in the Kenya Gazette, his replacement is going to happen. So he can seek court order to stop anyone from publishing that in the Kenya Gazette or government gazette, so that he can have ample time in the court, argue the case to conclusion, Then from there, the final decision can be made. But I don't know. The judges can as well rule otherwise. Because now you see 3-judge bench. That means they will vote. If they agree, fine. If they don't agree, they will vote. There will be one who will get 1 vote. There's another one who will get 2 votes. And if they agree, there will be no voting, and one side decision will be made. So we'll be waiting to see what will happen tomorrow. And then know how, watch how the Senate is going to take this issue. It is a constitutional moment in this country, whereby now we are also trying this 2010 constitution. We have never had a deputy president impeachment. Even the court has never sat to listen to such matter. It is just happening for the first time. I don't know your views, but let us meet in the comment section to continue with this discussion. Thank you so much, and see you in our next video.